So you run a standard head cleaning on your Epson printer, but it's still skipping lines or missing colors. Don't panic. You just have a severe stubborn clog. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate 100% fix for this. The power cleaning tool. Let's jump into the software. Now head over to your control panel, and we can go to the settings and open devices and printers, or in this case Bluetooth and devices. And then we're gonna go to printers and scanners, and then click on your Epson printer. Now we're going to go to printing preferences, and we'll go straight to the maintenance tab at the top. Now, but this time we are skipping the normal head cleaning and clicking on power cleaning. Now, some older models might call this power ink flushing. Now, listen closely before you click next. Before you click next, power cleaning pushes a massive amount of ink through the tubes to blast out dried clogs. It works incredibly well, but it consumes a lot of ink. Make sure your ink tanks are at least 1/3 full before you start this. When you hit so when you click next, so you have to check this check button. There's enough ink in the ink tanks, and there should be an interval of 12 hours is required, and then click on next. Now when you hit start, we might see a communication error pop up on my screen. You can completely ignore that. And I'm recording this tutorial on my editing PC without the printer plugged in. For you, your printer will start making some loud pumping noises. This process takes a few minutes, so let it do its thing, and absolutely do not turn the printer off while it's running. Once the power cleaning finishes, run a quick nozzle check to see your results. In 99% of cases, your severe clog is completely gone and your printer is 100% fixed. But here's a massive pro tip. If it is still slightly clogged, do not run another power clean immediately. Wait 12 hours. The fresh ink needs time to soak and dissolve the remaining dried ink. Test it the next morning and it should be perfect. If this ultimate clog trick saved your printer, please hit that subscribe button down below. It helps me create more quick no nonsense tutorials for you. So see you in the next one.